Welcome to the Thumbnail Guy YouTube channel, where I show you how to create click-worthy thumbnails to help you go viral. Click the purple Create a Design button and search YouTube thumbnail. Next, we're going to go over to our projects folder, folders, scroll down to Mac thumbnail. Now I'm going to add 3 pages. I'm going to add these 3 images to each page. Now I'll take this first image, and I'll resize it until it fits the whole page. Now I'll go to Elements, I'll go to a rounded rectangle, and I'll change that color to white. If I'll keep those rounded corners at 34, I'll change that transparency to around 19. I'm going to resize this to 740 by 116. And then I'll add it right there in the center. I'm going to press these 3 dots, go to lock and lock position. Now this element is locked. Now I'll go back to our projects folders and I'll start adding in our icons. I just discovered that it was easier for me to resize the icon to the desired dimensions by using the previous icon as reference. Now I'm going to start adding the icons to the dot. Start with this one, that one. And I'll lock this image so it doesn't move and get in my way. So I'm going to select all of these. Then I'll make sure all of these are aligned. Now I'm going to press option 1 and I'm going to lock that in place, the background, so it doesn't move. Now I'm going to select all of these icons right here and move them to the center. I'm going to take this icon right here, and about right there. Then I'll go back to my projects folder, select the mouse. That's looking pretty good. Now I will start on the next version of the design. So I'm just going to take this image and resize it till it fits the whole page. And then I'm going to lock it in place so it doesn't move. Option 1 to see the layers. And I'll unlock this layer right here. I'll select all of these and Command C. When you copy something in Canva, it's going to paste in the same position from where you copied it from. So even though it's a new page, it's going to paste in the same exact position. So I'm going to press Command V to paste. As you can see, it pastes in the same position. Now I'll take this image and resize it and press Command V to paste that in position. That's version 1. That's version 2. And that's version 3. If you found this video valuable, like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a thanks thumbnail guy down in the comment section.